To Wake Up in Makeup. It's Jennifer Woolsey. I hope you're doing good. Do you need some cushion in your life? You're like, what are you talking about? Do you need some cushion in your life? We're going to do a full cushion makeup tutorial today. So, are you ready? Let's hop in. I'm going to go ahead and pull this hair back, and then I will explain to you what I'm talking about. So, I'm just a mom in my bathroom sharing a few makeup tips with you. For real moms that, don't have hours to do makeup, but we're going to have fun. I've already gone in with a new AVONX Ultimate Skincare Regimen, which is Korean skincare, so I feel a little fancy. Got some fancy Korean skincare going on, and I still have dark stuff under my eyes. It's a day. Okay, so we are going to do our VDL Cushion Primer today, because we're doing all things cushion. So I've got this cool little cushion mat, and I'm just pushing down and picking up. When you push down, it like brings it, oh, that might be a little bit much. It brings it out. And then you just go on your face and pat it in. And you are primed, cushioned, and ready to go. How about that? And it adds a little extra glow. I can already see the extra glow. That's cool. Okay, let's do our concealer. We are doing Cashmere Complexion in shade Matcha. There we go. And we are going, I don't have a concealer in cushion. I'm going to have to find a concealer in cushion to share with you guys. But almost everything we're going to use today is the cushion line. And I haven't used it in a while. Beige Shop, which is a partner that we have, has really outdone themselves in the cushion technology. And the cool thing is these products are infused with hyaluronic acid, which for moms, as we age, or women in general, as we age, your skin begins to lose some of that hyaluronic acid. That's what makes your wrinkles, and that's what makes your fine lines pop out. We got no time for that business. We don't have no time for that business. So we're going to do our Ink Lasting Cushion foundation. Comes with this Ruby Cell Puff, which is all the magic. Like, your magic is all in this. We're going to just push in. Sorry. Mom life. Dogs. I don't know what they're barking at. Just pushed in and picked up a little bit. And I'm just going to pat it in all over the face. There we go. So when I talk about cushion, this little cushion right here holds all of your foundation. And it's almost like a liquid formula. It's just used with this cushion form, which holds it in, actually keeps it longer and fresher. And for my moms that are like, I put makeup on like twice a week, Jen. Not a big makeup wear here. This is a go-to for you. You need this. Oh, and I'm using shade N20. A little bit more underneath here. What do you think? Okay, we're covered. All right, let's do our brows with the Tattoo Station brow pencil. I haven't found a cushion brow pencil either. I have to do that. So what are some other ways that you need cushion in your life? I was thinking about this as I was like, oh, I want to do a cushion tutorial with everybody. And I was thinking, really as women, there's probably a lot of other areas other than just makeup that we need some cushion in our life. So, I don't know about you guys, but 2020 has been rough. And so I just think that if you are surrounded by good friends and a good support system, good family, good friends, that can help soften that blow, that's a good cushion to have. So when you look around at people that you connected with and touched base with during the quarantine when things were really on lockdown, not that we're really that much out of it now, but anyway, when you were really on lockdown, did those people uplift you and inspire you? Did they make you want to do more? I mean, did they inspire you to pick up an instrument, maybe start playing something, or maybe just somebody that just brightened your day, made you smile? We're gonna do a little Magic's dust setting powder. You know, those type of people in your life are the most valuable people because they are your cushion. When the world seems hard, they're the soft place to land. And I think it's important to note too that we need to be those people too. I'm not seeing any comments, guys. Give me some hearts if you're with me today. If you have some people in your life that are your cushions, that are your friends, family, that lift you up and inspire you. Okay. Some other places that we need cushions in our life is definitely your bank account. Monopop eyeshadow palette. Your bank account is definitely a place that this is going to come into play. Good morning, Amanda. I'm going to do some Coral Love here today. We're going to go in with these two browns and work above our crease line because I do have a hooded eye. So we're going to make a faux crease. That one went very pointy there. Not sure what happened. That's okay. So part of being a work from home beauty boss is that my business, thank goodness, has allowed me to have cushion in my bank account. That's always nice. It's always nice as the wife to not have to ask your husband, hey, I want to buy da 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 da, when you can say, I'm going to buy da 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 da, and I have the money in my bank account to do it. Especially when Christmas comes. Okay, we're gonna have to work on that. We're gonna work on it. Give me a second. We're gonna pull a little bit of the coral colors in now. And we're gonna work down here into that exaggerated crease that we did there. It's okay, we're gonna fix it. Hang with me. I'm just blending this lighter into that bottom part. Okay, how are we gonna fix it? We're gonna take this white color here. We're gonna use it to go underneath the brow line. And I'm gonna tame it down. I'm just kind of going over it back and forth. I don't know where I got the point idea from. There, tames it down just a little bit. We could bring this other side up so it matches just a little bit. Darken that point. There we go. Okay. So anyway, cushion in your bank account. So if you've got good people that are lifting you up and inspiring you, that is a key to having good cushion in your life, but also, you know, having that independence of, I have my own business, I am doing all the things for my family that I want to do. I'm not having to wait on anybody else's permission. Okay, let me close and see if we need to do one more. I think we need to do a little bit more blending. What do you think? Give me some hearts if you think, okay, Jen, you need to do a little bit more blending there. I'm just picked up a little bit of this color because I'm in a coral mood and we're blending it out. Okay, so we have cushion with our friends and family. We have cushion in our bank accounts because we are our own boss and we are making all the money that we need and we're doing the things that it takes to be successful. And that is, I think success is another word. This is On Point eyeliner. It's already pre-sharpened. Just going a little bit heavier on the edge part. Have you ever wanted to have something for yourself, like a business for yourself or your own checking account and not have to depend on other people, or maybe you're a single woman and you're like, I just need extra cash in the bank. Having your own business is a great way to do that. And I can help you. I can help you fix that up. So message me if you want more information. So what are some other ways that we can cushion our life? We're going to cushion. Oh, I guess we better do mascara. We should do some mascara. The other thing is cushion in your gas tank. So lesson learned, I was on my way to town. I'm not absent-minded all the time, just FYI, some of the time. I was on my way to town and I was like, why does my car not have any get up and go in it? And so I looked down and guess what? My gas light had been on for a little while. I've been driving for a little while. And, you know, it's important to note that we live at least 5 miles out of town. So that gas light on for a while thing, not a good idea. So my husband's point to me was, always make sure you have at least a fourth of a tank of gas when you live in the country, because you don't want to get stuck on the side of the road waiting on your husband to show up with a gas tank. Not a good situation. So have some cushion in your gas tank. I'm just sharing these personal experiences for you guys. That was Love Mascara. Loving on those lashes. Okay, so share with me in the comments, what are some things that you feel like you always need a little extra cushion for? We're going to do our Cushion Coral Face Shop Blush. There must be birds flying, because Charlie is going to attack them through the window. I can hear her. She is ready to go. We're all coraled today. We're going to also do our Moisture Cushion highlighter, because we need a little extra sparkle in our day. And I think cushion in your attitude is another good thing to have. You see, we can choose to be positive, or we can be negative Nellies. And yeah, this year has sucked on so many levels. But it's also been a blessing on so many levels that we've gotten to spend more time with our families. We've gotten to, you know, do things maybe in our homes that we haven't been able to do in a long time. Maybe you have just slowed down and read a book. But I think cushion in our attitude is another thing that a lot of us need to just remember to be kind to others. It doesn't matter what your political affiliation is. It doesn't matter, you know, what side of the fence you lay on, what your religion is. Be kind to each other. We are humans. We all bleed the same color of blood, and we should be kind and loving to each other, not mean and hateful. Cannot stand those comments. Okay, two-tone lipstick. We're going to do Beige Effect. It's not coral, but it'll work. It's got two sides, so it's got the darker on the top and the lighter on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that. I love this fat lipstick. Flat lipstick, not fat lipstick. I have a little extra cushion in my cushion too, but you know, that's just from having kids and eating too many donuts, but you know. Okay, so I think our cushion look is finished. What do you think? This is all part of our Face Shop line that we have. If you want help with color matching, I can hook you up at your avon.com/jwoolsey, or private message me. I'll help you find all the colors that you need to match and give yourself a little extra lift and a little extra glow. And look for the cushions in your life. There's always places, somewhere, some people that you can put in place, or you can be a cushion for, and help make life a little bit better. Please share this video, because more people need to hear this. More people need to be kind. More people need to do things for each other, need to look for ways to bless other people and to just sparkle. So thanks, Amanda. Thanks for getting ready with me. I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and we will see you all later. Like and subscribe. Bye.